It's spooky season and it's time for fun Halloween parties.
So if you need a treat to serve, we have one that's sure to impress your guests.
And it's to die for.
Today we're making Oreo Mummy Pops, and this recipe is from TikTok creator Serena from Seasonally Sweet.
We're preparing these treats at our ActivWall Gas Strut Window that opens up and out on sturdy commercial grade gas struts to create a serving bar and pass-through window.
We're going to start by laying out parchment paper. I'm going to take some cake pop sticks and just insert them into the cream of your Oreo.
Next, we're going to melt chocolate chips. You want to put these in the microwave and just warm them at like 15 to 30 second intervals. Just fold it over until you get a nice, good, smooth consistency.
So now that the chocolate is melted, we're getting ready to dip the Oreos and make our treat. But we learned a really cool tip that we want to share, and this is from TikTok creator Amanda Bella. Take a heating pad, put it on your counter under some parchment paper, and it will keep your chocolate nice and warm, so it will stay soft and melted while you're working with it. While the chocolate is still warm, we're going to stick on the little candy eyeballs. Now we've got to transform them into mummies. We're just going to gently drizzle this white chocolate over the chocolate mummies.
Yum.
The kids are going to love these. And when I mean kids, our production team.
Yeah.
They are awesome. They work hard to make all of our windows and doors custom for every customer. So we've got tasty treats. We've got our ActivWall Gas Strut Window that creates a convenient serving bar. And now we just need to call over our friends and family to come and celebrate Halloween with us.
If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to leave us a note in the comments.
And if you want your very own ActivWall Gas Strut Window, click the link in our bio to request a quote. We ship nationwide.
Hey, I got one for you. A bunny and a bear walk into a bar.
Now what?
Happy Halloween. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul. Still you're doomed tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek.
Tammy is not there.
You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. Cause spooky, scary skeletons shout startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak from their sarcophagus and just won't let you be. Spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary.